Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure you can access the recovery phone or recovery email tied to the removed account and sign in on a device previously used if possible. Once done, open Gmail settings or the Google account sign-in page. If you remove the account from a device, choose Add Another Account, not Create. This step reduces verification friction and speeds up recovery because Google often checks known devices, locations, and recovery methods first. You proceed by selecting Add Account in the Gmail app or visiting accounts. Google.com. Enter the exact removed email address. If you can't remember it, pick Forgot Email and follow prompts. Next, provide the password. If it fails, choose Try Another Way to trigger recovery options. Make sure to complete two-step verification if prompted. Use backup codes, SMS, or an authenticator app. Be patient. Google may take a minute to evaluate signals from your device and location. You finish by accepting account permissions and syncing settings so mail and contacts return to the device. Then open Gmail to confirm messages and labels restored. If sign-in or recovery fails, use the account recovery form and supply specific details, prior passwords, creation date, and device models, because these boost success. If you hit sign-in loops, clear app cache or use an incognito browser and retry. One key tip: always try recovery from a device and location.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.